In this session, first we'll talk about Rivet Elements. Okay, so what are Rivet Element and what are the sub options in the Rivet Element, so that we can discuss a few more points related to instance property and the type property. Okay, so I request you to please make a note of this point, which is not in the notes. So I'll write on the screen. You can copy. This is very basic. This is also important. I'm going to share the screen. So here, first you see, first we have this Rivet element. Under Rivet element, you'll find the categories. So first is element. Next is categories. Under categories, you'll find families. And under families, you'll find type. I'll give an example, don't worry. And in the Rivet element, you'll find all these options. So if you talk about example of one category, suppose I can consider the category as, say, duct. Duct is a category. And then what about this families? Under duct, you'll find rectangle duct, round duct, oval duct, all comes under families. For example, rectangle duct, round, oval, this comes under family. Again, if you talk about rectangle duct, in the rectangle duct, you'll find the different types. For example, with the metered elbow, I'm writing short, I'll give you in detail in software. So metered elbow here, ME, I'm writing with, say, T's, the connection is T's, or the mitered elbow with, say, tabs, or radius elbow with T's, etc. Further, I'll show you the option. This is just example. So all this comes under the type. Okay, getting the idea? Similarly, in round, you'll find mitered elbow, you'll find the radius elbow with tab, with T's. Again, oval also with the tab and T's, etc. One more example, say mechanical equipment. Mechanical equipment comes under what category? Under this category, for example, I'm considering, say, AHU. So in the AHU, you'll find this ceiling suspended, or again AHU, the floor mounted, different types. Again, in this, you'll find the capacities. For example, 5 TR, 10 TR, etc. Okay, getting the idea online? And why this topic is important? Because the next we'll talk about the type and instance property. So when I say type, means I'm talking about this. This is applicable for any category. I'll show you some example directly from the Rivet software. Can you please copy this? You see, these are some additional point which is not in the notes. So that's the reason I asked you to take the snapshot, or you can make a note.